Okay, so we're here in Frisco using our gift card that we got back in October at family night for the McKinney Boyd High School band. And you can, oh, that chiller turned on. You can see a bunch of air conditioners and stuff. You can see a bunch of Trane gas packs. There is a chiller unit right there, I think is what that is. I don't know much about those. You can hear it running, and you can probably see it running too. But yeah, there's some more gas packs, and right there is a Trane XB13, I think. Something like that. Probably from about 2007 or 2008, maybe 2006, I don't know. Those are probably from about the same time that XB13 is. All those are oh, there's another XB13 right there too. But yeah, all these units are probably from the same time. Because this is a pretty new hotel. I don't know what year it's from. There's some really, really big units back there. And I think those are like refrigerators. But yeah, pretty neat. It's a good view. And there's a few in the parking garage too. But anyways, I guess over and out.